in order to do a bacterial transformation, you'll receive a tube of competent cells. The tube is placed on ice that is surrounded by water. We call it wet ice. It's important to keep the tube cool at all times and to treat the cells gently during this procedure. The cells are going to be split into two tubes, P plus and P minus. Picking up a micropipetter, hold it vertically and place a tip firmly on the end. Pick up the competent cells, open them, depress the plunger of the pipette using your thumb, and gently mix the competent cells. In this case, we're splitting 100 microliters, so I have the pipette set to 50. Once the cells are mixed, I'll drop 50 microliters, place the tube immediately back into the wet ice bath, pick up P+, dispense the cells by pushing down on the plunger, cap the tube tightly, place it immediately back onto the wet ice, pick up the original tube of competent cells. Again, use the plunger technique of mixing up and down to mix the cells. Draw up 50 microliters. Dispense them into your second tube, P minus. Again, place the contents immediately back on ice and eject the tip. Now that you've split your competent cells, you're ready to add your ligation mix. In this case, we'll be adding 10 microliters. Put a fresh tip, pick up the ligated plasmid, use your thumb to press the plunger to the first stop, draw up the ligation mix, and in this case, be certain to only add it to the tube which is labeled P+. That's the tube that's getting the ligated plasmid. Open the tube, dispense the ligated plasmid, again using that gentle up and down motion on the plunger to thoroughly mix the contents. Close the tube tightly, eject the tip, and at this point you can use an additional finger flick to further mix the contents. And again, place the tube immediately back on the wet ice bath.